Guys, welcome to Smart Pewters Tech. Today we got a whole new device for you. Let's do the unboxing. This device is Honor Play. It is from Huawei, and as you can see, it is written Honor Play AI, Artificial Intelligence. And this is a 4GB RAM variant, and it has a Kirin 970. It has a 16 megapixel rear camera plus 2 megapixel plus 16 megapixel front camera and a fingerprint sensor, and it has a notch. And this is a 3750 AMH battery type of a phone. Okay, so it is quite plain. The box doesn't have any smartphone designs from any sides. This is a pretty white kind of box, so let's open it up. Here is the seal. It is saying I'm secure. It is not opened yet, so let's open it up. And here's the other one. Let's see how this comes out. It is pretty difficult to take it off. As you can see, this is the Honor Play device in this what is it, ultraviolet color. We can see this is the new color they have got into the smartphones. You won't find it anywhere else, like in any other device from any other brand. So this is the Honor Play. You can see the AI camera. Here's the flash, here's the two cameras, and here's the fingerprint sensor. And this is the Honor branding, and this is the notch where you can see the front camera, speaker, and the sensors. And this is the device. This is the star value of the device. So we'll keep it aside, and we'll see what else is there in the box. Here's the box. These are some stickers, and this is the case for the Honor Play device. This is a good thing, like not all the phone manufacturers give a case, but Honor makes a good attempt by giving this thing. Like it was even given with the Honor 7X device also. It looks quite good. And there's a Type-C charger in this, as you can see. This is good for fast charging and fast data transfer. And let's see how is the quick charger. Here you can see Huawei quick charge, and it is 5 volts 2 amp 9 volt 2 amps kind of thing. It is a 2 ampere charger. It can charge it quite fast. So let's boot up the device. As you can see, it has no screen guard and nothing on the screen. You can see the Honor branding in front. The screen looks quite vibrant. This is its first boot. It might take some time. Here you can feel the notch, how it is. Like it is actually better than Pixel 3 XL's notch because it is huge. And now let's select our language. It is English. I have carefully read, even though I haven't read it yet. Skip it all, and done. Skip. No thanks. Finish. Okay. And this is how it looks from inside. As you can see, the screen is quite vibrant, and the touch and feel, I can say it is quite good. These are the notifications given. It has a face unlock feature too. The animations quite well, like they seem so snappy. And this is the camera. It has its AI feature. Wow, it looks so good. Let's turn on the AI. It is disabled right now, and it is turned right now. Let's click some photos. And it has two cameras, one for the portrait mode, I guess. 3D portrait, it has 3D lightings off. Okay, this is one thing. Let's check the operating system. I think about phone. It has EMUI version 8.2.0, and it has Android version 8.1. Yeah, this is quite cool. Like, it is so snappy, as you can feel it. The speed is quite good. It is so good, I can say. Photo and AI. AI can recognize it's a plant. It is if it is visible over here. And this is quite good thing. And let's see what else it has. It has very less bloatware, I can say, as compared to other things. It has some games because it's a gaming device. It has some games pre-installed in this thing. We will try that thing later. So as far as my first impression, this phone is quite fast and quite snappy. It looks beautiful, and especially this color of the phone, Honor Play, it looks so beautiful. Let me remove the cover and show you how it looks from the back. As you can see, it looks so good. And here is the antenna lines, and it looks like a better version of some iPhone, and it has a 3.5mm jack, and Type-C adapter cable is plugged over here, and here's one speaker grill. This looks beautiful. So stay tuned, guys. We will post the gaming video very soon. This was the first impression and unboxing of a Honor Play device. I hope you liked it. Please share, like and subscribe, and support us for more videos like this. Thank you so much.